So if you're willing to purchase Sony ZV-E10, the chances are high that you're actually looking to start some vlogging or creating some videos for TikTok, Instagram, or some other social media platforms. And I can assure you that the quality of the video from this camera is just amazing. I have it with my kit lens, right? And the 4K quality is fully enough. It's not the best lens for the low lighting conditions, but if you plan to shoot at your home, you can always purchase some additional lighting to improve your video quality. So if the lighting is proper, then the quality of the video will be just amazing. The battery life, it's mostly good. Like I personally use the dummy battery, like to have it plugged all the time and I don't need to worry about it charging. If you do want to go on a battery, then the life might not be enough with a single one, so you might want to purchase additional batteries as well. And the lens, I think it's fully sufficient if you want to just talking head videos, and that's going to be fully enough. Sound, if you want to record a sound through your camera, I would suggest to purchase additional mic, but overall for the price, it is definitely one of the top choices.